Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, 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 Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna.
There is a famous phrase, if you desire something from the bottom of your heart, the universe conspires in helping you achieve it. Nandito's love and respect for this eternal figure has brought her back with us for yet another episode of knowledge sharing and enlightening conversations. In this penultimate episode of our virtual festival, we have with us for the second time the legendary dancer Padma Shri Guru Darshana Jhaveri. Before we begin our interaction with the legend herself, let us all be witnesses to something amazing that is about to happen in today's episode. Nandito is overjoyed and extremely blessed to announce this today that we are about to publish a dance of Padma Shri Guru Darshana Jhaveri straight from her archive into our today's episode. Nandito is privileged to get an opportunity to be the first entity who will be showcasing this dance to the entire world from the youth days of Guru Darshana Jhaveri. We take great pride and honor in being a medium who got the privilege of presenting this dance to you. Come, let's mesmerize ourselves with this soulful performance of the devotee of Manipuri dance in our virtual festival Nayana Pathagami.
Kandarpa Prati Akshep. It is one of the 32 divisions of Shringar Ras, the sentiment of love. Radha, in separation, accuses Kandarpa, the Madana or Kamdev, that, oh Madana, why are you burning me, mistaking me to be Lord Shiva, as if taking revenge of Lord Shiva as he had once burned Ananga, the Madana. Here Radha compares her adornments with that of Lord Shiva. The description of Radha is in graceful Lasya style, and description of Lord Shiva is in Cholam Tandav style. Kandarpa Prati Akshep. It is composed by Guru Bipin Singh. The singer is Baman Ibeyama Devi and drummer is Virumangal Singh. Kandarpa Prati Akshep.
कंदर्प प्रति आक्षेप.
What we witnessed just now transported us into a heavenly abode and made us experience divinity. It was a truly mesmerizing performance. Now, let us hear some words of wisdom from the legend herself.
Namaskar. We four Javeri sisters, Naina, Ranjana, Suvarna and myself Darshana, feel very fortunate to have Guru Vipin Singh as our Guru, with whom we worked for 50 years. Seeing our keen interest and our aptitude for Manipuri dance, Guruji taught us 5 Bhangi Parings in 50s and in 1956. After we learned the Bhangi Parings, he took us to Manipur to meet and learn individuality of three main gurus, Guru Amobi Singh, Guru Atomba Singh and Guru Amudon Sharma. And we learned their individuality and style for 1 month, and then we presented these 5 Bhangi Parangs in front of these 3 gurus, and we were so happy to receive their blessings.
You have been a personification of Manipuri dance throughout your life. As the name of this classical dance form clearly depicts, it hails its origin from the land of Manipur. Did the state and its culture play a role in your decision to dedicate your life to Manipuri dance form?
In 1958, we were the first non-Manipuris to have dedicated our dancing in Shri Shri Govindji temple, and we really feel that Govindji's blessing was there, and since then our career as a dancer, we started dancing all over India in different cities as well as abroad. We were so much impressed by Manipur, the dance and music interwoven in the lives of the people of Manipur, Guru's dedication, devotion to Lord Krishna as well as to their own art form, and the natural beauty of Manipur, and the night-long Sankirtan and Ras Leela. It was wonderful, and we decided that we will dedicate our whole life for the preservation, perpetuation and propagation of classical Manipuri dancing.
A lifetime of commitment to an art form must have filled your life with many treasures. Treasures so valuable that they have given you the power of knowledge and experience. Could you share with us the journey of collecting these knowledge and the various researches associated with it?
After 56, Guruji, Guru Bipin Singh and we Javeri sisters started our research work, studying Vaishnav Shastras in Mumbai, as well as recording and collecting the oral tradition of dance and music composition of Ras Leelas and Sankirtan from various gurus specialized in different aspects of Ras and Sankirtan in Manipur, Kachar, Tripura. We invited 2 gurus to Bombay, and we recorded the Mridang compositions and music. Then we, after studying the Shastras, Vaishnav Sangeet Shastras and oral tradition, we correlated oral tradition with these Shastras and established the classical elements underlying the oral tradition. Of course, gurus of Manipur knew all the classical elements in their own Meitei terms, but they were not aware of these Sanskrit words. So that work we did it, and taking root in it, Guruji created 6 years systematic training course as well as compositions, choreographed different items on different classical elements for the theatre purpose, keeping in mind the demands of theatre in relation to duration or choreography, presentation.
Manipuri dance is rich in culture, compositions and heritage. What are your views on the 2 gharanas of Guru Amobi Singh and Guru Bipin Singh that have flourished this dance form?
Guruji had vast knowledge of tradition of Ras and Sankirtan as well as in-depth study of Shastras and creative talent, aesthetic ability, and hence he composed the items revealing the intricacies, subtleties, and complexities of the Manipuri dancing. Of course, Guru Amubi Singh also had done compositions for the theatre and in Abhinaya and other aspects. And it's both Guru Bipin Singh and Guru Amubi Singh, they had their own speciality, own beauty in their style. So we say that now these two gharanas, Guru Amubi Singh's and Guru Bipin Singh's, is in vogue in Manipuri dance.
The backbone of spreading Manipuri dance to future generations at that time, Manipuri Nartanalaya was your collective creative child. What was the motto or the purpose behind setting up this institution?
Now, we established the Manipuri Nartanalaya in Mumbai, Calcutta and Manipur. Guru Bipin Singh in collaboration with Jawari Sisters and Kalavati Devi in order to channelize our manifold activities since 1958 in relation to Manipuri dancing, teaching, creative production, research, publication, touring, performing, etc.
You have been a remarkable personality who has undergone a continual learning and uplifting curve for the Manipuri dance style. After the 1960s, you have conducted several explorations regarding this passion. Can you bring to light the gripping narratives of those explorations so that we may have a newfound perspective regarding those events that transpired in your life?
From 1960 onwards, I was regularly visiting Manipur with Guruji in order to study different forms such as Pung Cholom, Kartal Cholom, Maibi Jagoi, song and dances of Ras Leela, of course this from Khetri Tombi Devi, Sutradhari, and other gurus were Guru Natek or Guru Amuyama Singh or Thangjong Chauba Singh. And then we used to meet with different gurus and artists and scholars like Professor Nilkant Singh or Surachand Sharma or Damodar Singh, and we used to discuss with them, and I used to demonstrate that how Guruji took inspiration from Ras and Sankirtan, and selecting each element he used to develop it and bring out its maximum beauty for the composition for the theatre. So each and every composition had root in tradition of Ras and Sankirtan, which we used to demonstrate, explain, discuss, and also present it in different festivals or seminars, so that the people or gurus and artists could understand our attitude, our approach to the classicism of Manipuri dancing. I'm really happy, and we are fortunate to receive the grant from Ford Foundation for 4 projects of microfilming the manuscripts which we had in our library, and audio and video of all the dances of 6 years course, as well as the dance compositions for the theatre.
The life of a human being is a constant search for happiness, and it completes a full circle when they find peace along with that happiness. We have all witnessed the light on your face when you speak of or engage yourself in the world of dance. How has this journey of worship and dedication to this dance form brought satisfaction to your soul?
I feel satisfied and happy that during all these years my work for Manipuri dance has given some recognition and acceptance. That is the only satisfaction I get, that I have worked not for any reward. However, the awards have come from outside. I have received many awards, most prestigious being National Sangeet Natak Academy Award, National Vishwa Gurjari Award of Gujarat, Gaurav Puraskar from Sangeet Natak Academy, Gujarat, Padma Shri from President of India, awards from Chennai, like from Krishna Gana Sabha, Acharya Chudamani, from Assam, from Manipur, 3 institutions, Gulapi Nata Sankirtan, Manipur Sahitya Parishad, and Jawaharlal Nehru Manipuri Dance Academy. I really share this honor with my parents who have supported and encouraged us for so many years. My sisters, my 3 elder sisters with whom I worked for many years together, and then of course on my own, my other family members, and my, of course, Guruji, Guru Bipin Singh, and my colleagues like Kalavati, Vinodini Devi, Shanti Bala Devi, with whom I traveled and worked for many years in Bombay, as well as we toured a lot. Then the artists of Manipuri Nartanalaya, Bombay, Kolkata, Manipur, the students of Manipuri Nartanalaya, and out of all these students, many have become good dancers, teachers, scholars, and they have their own institution also in India and abroad also. I'm really very grateful to all these for giving me their love, respect, care. I pray to God and I thank God and especially Govindji for giving me this purpose of life, and still I am able to dance for last 60 years. I have been dancing, but I really pray God to give me more strength to serve the art of classical Manipuri dancing. Thank you so much. Namaskar.
We have to bid adieu to our beloved Guru Darshana Jhaveri today for this episode. But it's never a goodbye for her in our hearts. She is eternally present in the love and respect that we have for her. Didi, a big thank you from the entire Nundito family for being with us not once but twice in our virtual Rath Yatra festival. We sincerely hope that we keep getting your blessings and support this way throughout our lives. Thank you so much for being with us today and forever. Today I'm very emotional because we have come to the end of our virtual Rath Yatra festival, Nayanapathagami, was not just an accumulation of dancers and their performances from around the globe. It was a tribute to Lord Jagannath, and in this tribute, Nandito has tried to uphold the culture of Manipuri dance, not just through performances, but through accounts, narratives, and lesser known facts that we have shed light on throughout our episodes. It was our small initiative to immortalize the various aspects of Manipuri dance and inscribe it in the pages of Indian art and culture. We came to know how the great Kavi Guru Rabindranath Tagore first witnessed Manipuri dance in Tripura. Yet the state is still struggling to rise up in upholding these traditions. Through their heritage is an inspiring tale for the entire world. This conglomeration of dancers and artists was the success of Nandito, a center for performing arts, who was able to make Tripura meet Manipur, Manipur meet Shantiniketan, Shantiniketan meet Kolkata, Kolkata meet Mumbai, all through the virtual platform of Nandito's celebrations. Nandito's effort was to provide a unified platform to one and all and leave behind a documentation for everyone to know and feel. We sincerely hope we have been able to successfully achieve that and are grateful to everyone who provided their inputs in making this such a huge success. It's time to say goodbye, but it's not really a goodbye, is it? It's more of a until we meet again, because Nandito will keep returning to you with more such programs and festivities. Stay safe, stay positive, everyone. Pranam.
सुखदं भवसारं केशवधीत दशविधरूप जय जगदीश हरे जय जगदीश हरे जय जगदीश